Listen, baby, one time for the texture, and honey, one time for this hairline. Get into her. Get all up into her. How you living, baby? I hope in living color. Welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Mika Lynn. Here we are with another quick wig review. We're gonna hop right into this. Before we do, definitely want to give a big thanks to CurlsCurls for sending out the unit. If you're interested, check out their information in the description box down below. Most importantly, big thank you to all of you. Make sure you are subscribed to the channel, ring the bell, drop a comment down below. Most importantly, share the video so we can all slay accordingly, baby. Now, we are going to go ahead and get into this beauty by once again, yep, CurlsCurls. Listen, you already know the road I'm heading down, right? So off the bat, this beauty right here is just going to give me life. I can already tell getting to these curls. I've done a couple of CurlsCurls units on this channel, so if you're interested, check out the playlist. It'll be somewhere on this video. So first and foremost, with the cap fit, this is going to be a more of a frontal type of unit. You do have the ear to ear lace, and then you do have the combs on the side, one in the back, and then you're also going to have this elastic band in this beauty, so that is definitely a plus. I don't think we're going to have too much of a problem when it comes to finessing the lace on this unit. Tried and true, they've always came through. Bars. So we're gonna go ahead, get into her, baby, and let her so glow. Yeah, baby. Ow.
I don't post. Usually I don't post, but I want the world to know. Drop tops out. Summer nights, it's a vibe, yeah. We've been keeping it in the house. Netflix and chillin', I GDM'in', yeah. Didn't wanna share my love till I found someone I'm sure of. Young and untamed, I've been out of range, keeping it low. But I wanna be bold with it. Don't care who we told about it. Well, baby, got a hold on it. Let love unfold tonight. They'll be calling us gold. No lies, so fair with it. Let him stare at it. Now I'm prepared for it. Instead of love out loud, since we ain't going nowhere. So tonight, baby, meet me. Timing's right, so right. Our romance to be, can't deny. Love the things we do when it's just us two. But tonight, baby, meet me outside. Usually I don't post. Usually I don't post, but I want the world to know. I'm a good catch, but I never let him catch me. No, I never let him claim me. Wild thing try to tame me, but you got my mood on sunshine. Let's take a trip, souls on big smile. Let's hit this lake, stars are in line. I'm posted, lay with me in the moonlight. I wanna be bold with it. Don't care who we told about it. Well, baby, got a hold on it. Let love unfold tonight. They'll be calling us gold. No lies, so fair with it. We can let them stare at it. Now I'm prepared for it. Instead of love out loud, since we ain't going nowhere. So tonight, baby, meet me.
Now I did have it a little super duper tight, so of course it is making a little bit of an indent. I'm just gonna go through and kind of rough up this part so it doesn't look like I had a melt band on, you know what I'm saying? But baby, can we take in this hairline? We are gonna make it do What it do, baby? Getting to her. Listen, baby. Curls came through in the clutch, baby, because this unit right here, when I tell you this is a beginner's dream, this is a beginner's dream. This one straight out of the pack, it gives you that option. The curls are pretty much already set, and you just need a really light finger fluff, and that's it. Now, if you aren't really comfortable with like putting a hot comb to your unit or finessing the hairline, you can definitely do so. It's just gonna be a little bit more on the thick side, baby, when it comes to the crown. I measured 24 inches around my head circumference, so it's definitely big head friendly. Lots of coverage on the sides, as you can see. So this is literally ear to ear lace, okay? Now this side was a little bit longer than this side. I don't know what happened. I don't know. It was me. I know. So I did cut a little bit of the lace off here. You can kind of see it a little bit, but you can't. So I just took out some hair and just kind of pulled it out just to give it a nice little look. You know what I'm saying? I don't think I've ever talked about how I go about installing these units. I just basically go in with any type of tacky type of gel or glue. I take my rat tail comb, I push the baby hairs forward into the lace, and then hold it down, anchor it, and then brush it back. I know. I ain't the best at explaining techniques, that's why you're seeing footage. If I did have to change one thing, the lace on here, as thin as it is giving me just a little bit of a reflection, if you will. Now this is after I went through with my tinted lace. I went through with the tinted lace melt that I've mentioned in a previous video. And then I also went in with the Bronze palette by Juvia's Place. And I used the bottom shade right here along the hairline just to kind of redden it up a little bit. Just so it wouldn't look as light as I feel like it's looking on camera. It might translate different for you. I don't know. Now this area right here, this is actually where I had the wig band, so that is why it's kind of giving you a little bit of a dent when I kind of flick my hair back and flip my hair back and forth. But yeah, this is actually from the lace melt band. It's not from the wig or from me doing too much, you know what I'm saying? I would keep it like this. I'm not gonna go any darker, because the darker you go, it's really gonna tell all your business. And I tell y'all, once you get lace that's too dark, it's almost really hard, okay, to get it lighter. So I'm just gonna leave it as is, but I think this came together really good, baby. So let's check out the side. Make sure my kitcheny is not as kitcheny as I feel it is right now, okay? And I will go ahead and turn around in real time. Look at that. Baby, you better get into her. And I'll lift the hair up so you can kind of see it, even if I had a messy bun. Now you can't see the lace a little bit here. That is actually an easy fix. One of them old cheap mascaras that you about to toss, keep them. I pulled these out, and this is what I use to color. Go through the back and cover that lace, and baby, you wouldn't even see it. So cute. She's so pretty. And she got me feeling myself right now because she cute or whatever. So big thank you to CurlsCurls for sending out the unit. Definitely appreciate it. If you're interested in checking out the unit, hit up the description box for all their information, including their other products. Definitely check them out. Thank you so much to all of you for tuning in. Definitely appreciate it. Make sure you are subscribed to the channel, ring the bell, drop a comment down below. Most importantly, share the video so we can all slay accordingly, baby. Take care of yourself, ladies. Keep yourself first. Most importantly, keep wearing it with confidence, and I'll talk to you all in the next one.